Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Byron. I'm Byron CPA, and just wanted to take a minute and talk to you about taxes. I want to start off with a question. Do you know how much you paid in total federal taxes last year? Think about that. Do you really know how much you paid in total federal taxes last year? Not how much you paid at the end of the year, at the time when you got your tax return prepared, if there's a remaining outstanding balance. But what is your total amount that you paid during the year? And it could be a combination of things. Be a W-2. Of course, you look at your W-2. But if you're W-2 and maybe a small business owner as well, total taxes paid with withholdings and with estimated tax payments. So what I want to do is real quick, instead of thinking about in terms of how much I have outstanding, think in terms of what is the total amount I normally pay during the year, and from there develop a plan to reduce that amount. But how do I find out how much I paid during the year? Well, if you see up on the screen here, I have the Form 1040, and we're gonna scroll through to the second page. And if you notice on the left-hand column, the 1040 is broken down into you see income, adjusted gross income, then we have other taxes, and then we have payments. So right quick, we'll take a look at the payment section, starting at line 64. Line 64 gives you total federal income tax withheld for W-2, as well as you might be doing some withholding for 1099. And then you look at line 65, you'll see if you've been making some estimated payments. And then we'll have some other lines there as well for different credits, things like that. But if you go down to line 74, that gives you total tax payments. But we're looking at the line 63 as well, where you see this is your total tax. Why line 63? Because that is your total tax due based on your income, as well as you'll see line 57, if you're a Schedule C employee, there you'll pay the self-employment tax as well. And remember, self-employment tax is a tax based on the net income of the business. And so from there you have your total tax. The challenge most people have is they go down to line 75. They're looking at how much is overpaid for the refund, or if there's an amount due, how much they pay, they're owed, which is on line 78. And so, yeah, you want to look at those. Maybe you should increase your withholdings or increase your estimated payments, but you should also be looking at the total tax that you're generating during the year, as well as how much you paid with the refund and with the total tax amount you paid during, not refund, but the amount you have due, as well as with the total tax you paid during the year. And that gives you your total tax paid, because that is the amount you develop a plan, a strategy to reduce your taxes going forward. Once again, I'm Byron Riley, small business CPA. I work with individuals for tax as well. Feel free to reach out to me. Byron at ByronRileyCPA.com. Visit us online, as well as connect with me on LinkedIn. Hopefully you find this helpful. If you have any tax questions or maybe some back tax issues, IRS issues, feel free to reach out to me. All right, have a great day.